Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about the Note 9. Every single year, along with the Galaxy S models, they release the Note series. I've had iPhones for a very long time, and I think that the last time I had a Note, I think it was the Note 2. So considering the fact that they're on the Note 9, it's been a while. I'm a little rusty on that, so I'm gonna do the best that I can. All right, you guys, so let's start with the price. As you can see here, the Note 9 comes in two different versions with two different prices. The Galaxy Note 9 comes in a 128 gigabyte model that has a $999.99 price tag, and the 512 gigabyte model comes in a $1,249.99 price tag. Why? This is a little bit ridiculous to me, considering the fact that when Apple releases a phone, the iPhone 10, that comes out with a $1,200 price tag and a $1,000 price tag, I find it a little funny that the Note series now has a $1,000 and a $1,200 price tag. So that's a little ridiculous to me. And technically, the Note 9 is more expensive than the iPhone 10 because after taxes, the iPhone 10 is around $1,200. I'll put the exact pricing up here. And then the Note 9 is $1,249.99 before taxes. All right, you guys, moving away from storage and price range, we're going straight into color. So there is 3 different colors that the Note 9 comes in. Obviously black, they release black as a phone color every single year, as well as every single manufacturer of a phone ever, because it's what you do. There are 2 different other colors. There is a light purple or a lavender color, and there is a deep navy blue that you can get as well. While we're on that topic, does anyone else really get upset about the fact that the series used to have a white everything except for the screen? And this was the case with a lot of manufacturers. However, when the Infinity Display was released, they quit doing colored fronts because they were going for almost no bezels, even though there are still bezels. And now the only thing that's colored is the back and the sides of the phone. Now clearly this is also the case with the iPhone 10s because they have the black front screen, and then the only thing that's different is the backing. So I want you guys to put in the comments down below, do you like that every single front screen is black and basically the same, and then all of the colors on the back are different? Or do you miss back whenever you had the entire phone was one color and then just the screen was the only thing that was left? Now, really, it doesn't really matter what color you get unless you go caseless, specifically for the fact that a case covers every single ounce of the color that you bought. Moving away from that, we're going to talk about the display. All right, you guys, so the Galaxy Note 9 does have a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a Quad HD resolution. The exact pixel range is 2960 by 1440. YouTube even listed the Note 9 as one, and if I can find a picture of what I'm talking about, I'll put it here, but YouTube even listed Note 9 as one of the best smartphones in 2018 to watch YouTube on. You get the most features, and it also comes out in true 4K so that you can actually watch the 4K video. Now, as far as performance goes, it does have the 2.7 gigahertz 64-bit Core octa-core processor. This is the same processor that is in the S9 and the S9 Plus. You really didn't get any upgrades there. However, this specific video is not a speed test video. This is a review and spec video. So yeah. All right, and finally, let's talk about the camera. On the back of the phone, you do have a 2-camera setup where you have a 12 megapixel wide angle sensor and you have a 12 megapixel telephoto lens with an f-stop of 2.4. A lot of people know this, some people don't know this. F-stop is basically how big the sensor is and at what range you can focus. With DSLR cameras and a lot of mirrorless and regular cameras that are not built into a smartphone, you don't need a dual camera system specifically for the fact that you have a range of focus. And the f-stop is basically the amount of light that is let into the camera sensor. It's going to help give you that blurry background, and it's going to allow you to focus on a main subject. The video capability is 4K Ultra HD at 60 frames a second. This is very good. I may be wrong. but I doubt it. All right, you guys, along with the colored options and what I want you guys to put in the comments down below for the other topic of discussion, I do want you to put comments in the below and let me know what you think about the Galaxy Note 9. Do you like it? Are you Apple? Are you watching this video just because a new phone's about to come out? What do you think about it? What is your favorite feature it's gonna have? If you don't feel like messing with all of that, you can still click the subscribe button that is right here. Social media and everything I film with is down there below, as well as these 2 videos that you can click on also. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. See you in the next one.